Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to fix Stabilitrak on your Chevy Equinox. This crucial system helps maintain vehicle stability, especially in challenging driving conditions. When the Stabilitrak warning light illuminates, it signals an issue with this important safety feature. Common culprits often include a faulty wheel speed sensor, a malfunctioning steering angle sensor, or problems within the brake system. Sometimes, even a weak battery or corroded electrical connections can cause the system to malfunction, so it is important to check these first. To accurately diagnose Stabilitrak issues, start by observing any warning lights or messages on your dashboard. Next, visually inspect your battery and its connections for any corrosion or looseness. A critical step is using an OBD2 scanner to read diagnostic trouble codes from the electronic brake control module, which will pinpoint the exact problem. For minor glitches, a simple system reset by disconnecting the battery for about 5 minutes might resolve the issue, allowing the system to recalibrate. Many Stabilitrak problems can be resolved with targeted repairs. Replacing a faulty wheel speed sensor is a frequent fix, often costing around $200 to $500 for parts and labor. If diagnostic codes point to the steering angle or yaw rate sensors, these will need attention. Always check your vehicle's fuse boxes for any blown fuses or bad relays, as these are simple and inexpensive fixes. In some cases, a damaged tone ring on the wheel hub assembly necessitates replacing the entire hub. Preventing Stabilitrak issues involves consistent vehicle maintenance, such as ensuring proper tire pressure and regularly checking your battery's health. It is crucial to address any warning lights on your dashboard promptly, as ignoring them can lead to more significant problems. If your basic troubleshooting steps do not resolve the Stabilitrak warning, it is best to seek professional help. Complex repairs, like reprogramming the control module, require specialized diagnostic equipment and expert knowledge for a safe and effective solution.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.